everyone, I'm Mark Joseph Lagan. I'm your Senior Solutions Consultant of Nexus Technologies, specializing in the Microsoft Power Platform and Copilot. In a world where technology is rapidly evolving, staying productive and efficient is key. We are here to introduce Microsoft 365 Copilot. Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI-powered assistant designed to help you navigate the digital world. Whether you're in Paris, Tokyo, or Makati, Copilot understands and communicates fluently in your language of choice. English, Dutch, Espanol, or Filipino, Copilot speaks your language. Need help drafting an important email? Copilot is there to assist, offering suggestions to make your communication clear and effective. Copilot can use its knowledge and capabilities to generate a professional and effective email draft that meets the user's requirement. Working with data in Excel, say you have a large data set and you need to create charts to visualize your data. Just type "add all insights to the grid." This prompt will provide you all insights available after Copilot analyzes your data. It will be automatically added to another sheet, and take note, this is already in chart and graph format. Another example is that you want to highlight the sales above 100,000 in your table. How about changing some information in your data? With Microsoft 365 Copilot, working with Excel has never been easier. We know that with so many apps and services under Microsoft 365 Copilot, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. We need to know which Copilot apps is best suited for different kinds of scenarios. And that is why you need a Microsoft partner like Nexus to help you and guide you to your Microsoft 365 implementation journey. To know more about Microsoft 365 Copilot, kindly message us on our Facebook page or send us an email at ps-ms@nexustech.com.ph. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.